a farmer. I wake early. I work on the farm. I look after animals and grow fruits and vegetables. I am a firefighter. I put out fires. I wear a helmet. I am a pilot. I fly airplanes. I help people travel to other countries. I am a carpenter. I make tables and chairs. I work in a carpenter's shop. I am a teacher. I teach children and teenagers at school. I am a computer programmer. I create computer programs. I am an astronaut. I explore space. I am a doctor. I look after sick people. I work at a hospital. I give you medicine. I am a nurse. I help doctor to look after your health. I am a cook. I make delicious food and meals. I work in a restaurant. I am a baker. I make and sell bread. I also make other products like cakes and cupcakes. I work at a bakery. I am a dentist. I take care of your teeth and gum. Subscribe for more videos.